We are at Sully Historic Site in Chantilly, Virginia, celebrating Earth Day. The very first Earth Day was celebrated in 1970 as an opportunity to engage thousands in the understanding and stewardship of our natural resources and to care for the Earth. Since then, it has become a worldwide phenomenon with over 1 billion people celebrating this event annually.
I am really happy that we celebrate Earth Day every year in the county. It's really important to educate the community, and I think so many people don't understand all the services that the county provides to the community. So we get people out here, they get to see Sully Historic Site and see new parts of the county that maybe they haven't seen. So I'm really excited about this day and all the efforts that go into it.
The Wonder Wagon is one of Fairfax County Park Authority's important equity initiatives. We recognize that residents don't always have access to our brick and mortar nature centers and historic sites. So instead of them coming to us, we're going to them.
This is just such a great thing for the community to have a mobile Wonder Wagon. Taking parks out into the community is really a great opportunity to get all the way around. Being able to take the show on the road is obviously helping us get to parts of the county we haven't been before.
Now, therefore, be it resolved that the Fairfax County Board of Supervisors, on behalf of all residents of Fairfax County, does hereby proclaim April 22nd, 2024 as Earth Day in Fairfax County and urges all residents to commit to caring for the planet by supporting green initiatives and encouraging others to take similar action.
Thanks so much to everyone who pitches in to make this a wonderful event for Fairfax County, and we hope to see you at many future Earth Day events.
Happy Earth Day!
Yay!